Officers assigned to Pacific Division Patrol responded to a radio call of a hot prowl burglary at a residence in the 3700 block of Berry Avenue. Here are the corresponding radio calls from this incident.
Pacific Units 449 hot prowl, Berry Avenue, standby for additional incident 699. Pacific Units on 42825, 42825, additional 459 hot prowl, Berry Avenue. Victim is in a where the pier has no suspect description. Here's glass breaking. Still on the line with her. Code 3 incident 699, RD 1435.
When officers arrived at the location of the call, they heard yelling and saw the suspect through a broken front window of the apartment. The suspect was in the living room, armed with a large kitchen knife, holding it against a woman and shielding himself behind her. As the officers walked toward the front door of the apartment, they gave the suspect multiple commands to drop the knife. However, he refused to comply, which resulted in an officer-involved shooting. That suspect was later identified as 58-year-old Herman Gonzalez, Jr. Gonzalez was struck by the gunfire and fell to the ground. The Los Angeles Fire Department responded to the scene and determined Gonzalez deceased. No one else was injured during the incident. Body-worn video cameras are used by most officers assigned to field duties. They are worn at chest level and capture a general perspective within line of sight from that angle. The angle of the camera prohibits viewers from seeing everything the officers saw and experienced. Upon activation, both audio and video will turn on. However, body-worn video cameras have a buffer of video without audio from the previous 2 minutes prior to activation. This feature is designed to capture incidents that occur suddenly, where an officer doesn't immediately activate the camera. Here's body-worn video from the officers involved in this incident.
See your hands.
He wants to kill himself.
Drop the knife. No. Drop the knife. No. A13, let me get back up. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
No, please, no. Don't kill him, no. Please, no. Don't kill him, no. No, you shouldn't have done that, please. I was opening the door, please, no.
See your hands.
Wants to kill himself.
Drop the knife. No. Drop the knife. No. A13, let me get back up. Drop the knife. Drop the knife.
No, please, no.
Hold the air. You don't have a code 4 yet. Hold the air.
Where's the weapon? I don't see it.
The weapon's right there. Alright, let's hold the air until code 4.
Okay. Watch out for the weapons. Going to be right there on the left side.
Okay. We're good. Let's just hold on. We got plenty of officers in there, so we don't get that many in here.
Let's do it.
It's a small unit. Just check it out.
Clear? Clear?
What's our window?
Kitchen's clear.
It's so 4.
Code 4?
Yeah.
Put out code 4.
Advise up to you,
I got it. I got it there.
You got it?
Shoulder?
Money
behind his head.
Yeah, worry.
Everybody have a med?
I did.
Yeah.
It's just a seal.
Repeat the last part of the message. That's the answer.
Yeah, super faint.
Alright, we're doing CPR.
Alright.
Let's start pumping on.
You're gonna do
All
it?
units go for 3780 Berry Avenue. Clear for empty to enter.
Is it 608?
Anybody have a
I'll go get the RA.
Investigators recovered Gonzalez's knife at the scene and booked it as evidence. Herman Gonzalez, Jr. was a 58-year-old resident of Los Angeles.